What's up friends, glad to have you guys back to yet another review where I find awesome things to simplify your life. Today I was at the mall and guess what I found? These are the Powerbeats Pro, the only ones that exist in my city, and you know what, I just had to pick them up. And yes, we are doing a giveaway for this product because we're celebrating my channel hitting 25,000 subscribers. And I mean, that's half of 50,000 and a quarter of 100,000, which is my goal to get to this year in 2019. So it's just a little something to thank you for all the support you've been giving to my channel, and the giveaway details will be announced in the detailed review of these. So make sure you hit that subscribe button with the notification on so you don't miss that video and miss your chance of winning these bad boys right here. This is the black on black version of the Powerbeats, and in this video we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna go through it quickly, and as always this is a chance for you to ask me questions that you want me to cover in the detailed review. And without further ado, let's stop talking about it and open the thing already. Holy cow, the case is huge. So that's my first initial impression, because when you compare it to all the other cases out there like this, each and every single one of these cases are smaller. This is a Sennheiser, the Jabras, and the Galaxy Buds here, and this is Powerbeats Pro. It's almost double the size of the Jabras. It's it's completely double the size of the Galaxy Buds right here. So it's gonna be interesting fitting this inside my pocket. But anyways, here it goes, the earbuds themselves. So when you take it out of the box, you do notice it's very premium already. There's nothing cheap about it. It's made of a very flexible plastic over here that you can adjust. And this matte black is very nice. It's a lot smaller than I thought, because if you look at the older Powerbeats, they don't look that aesthetically pleasing. But this one with this new designed curve over here, it looks very minimalist, very techy, very modern. And so it is held in the case magnetically so they don't fall out. That's always a good sign, especially for the price that you're paying for this. And by the way, I did buy this with my own money, so everything that's said is my opinion. So putting them back in the case, they're pretty secure, and the case uses a magnetic closure as well, which is very nice. But could you charge this wirelessly is the question. Okay, so I got my Omni charger here. It's a portable wireless charger. We're gonna test it out with my Galaxy Buds over here. Well, bam! Okay, it charges. So, with the Beats, no, there's no light at all. For 329 Canadian, what the hell? Even the AirPods can charge wirelessly. What am I paying for here? It does charge by lightning cable. Yep, so it's supposed to show up red when it's charging, so it's very disappointing that it's not charged wirelessly. Anyways, let's get into the earbuds already. Okay, so I got my iPad open here. When I open it, it's supposed to automatically pop up. Ooh, it does. It has this accessory connect sign over here, and when we press connect, and done, it knows it's a Powerbeats Pro. So it's connected, and there's a beep when I put it on. So it is a bit hard putting it on at first because of that loop. I think this will take a bit of getting used to putting it on, but once you do get used to it, it shouldn't be as tough. Finally, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna test the sound quality now.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Not bad, not bad. The bass is very big, and there's actually a very nice high end as well. The acoustic songs that I'm playing are very snappy. From my first impressions, it's better than the Jabras and the Galaxy Buds for sure. But is it better than the Sennheisers? That I don't know. So there's gonna be further testing on that, but so far it's very impressive. There doesn't seem to be an app for it for you to control the equalizers a bit more. However, I did find out that it has 3 buttons over here, the volume up, volume down, and then this Beats button over here. So that's a very good sign, because I love hardware buttons. It's a lot better than using touch controls in my opinion, and this is made very sleek. I actually quite like it. The design is very small, very compact. If only the case was smaller, because the thing is, I don't know how you're gonna carry this around. You're gonna have to put this in your bag, and that's kind of a big issue, because with all of these, it fits in your pocket, and when it fits in your pocket, they're very, very accessible. But if it's in your bag, there's more barrier to entry, and it just prevents you from using it sometimes, and therefore you don't use it as much as you would have. But anyways, I am noticing that the flex thing over here, it doesn't stay the way it is. It's very flexible. It won't conform to the shape that you make it in, but otherwise, the fit is pretty comfortable. It is an in-ear, so I'm gonna have to watch a Netflix to see if there's any ear fatigue. Yeah, I think they look pretty cool. What do you guys think? This is what it looks like. So these are the only ones that have the wraparounds in all of my collection. The other ones are just little earbuds that fit in. So I'm gonna try working out with them and see if they fall off and how they are while I'm running and biking and all that stuff. Here's a quick shake test. Nope, these are not coming out. These are quite secure. So these are made for more sport-oriented people. So even if you're kickboxing, I'm sure you're gonna be okay with this. So some specs about these earbuds over here. They can play for 9 hours, and with 24 hours if you put them in the case to charge. They are water resistant. And then there are hardware buttons for both music and calls. I don't know if there's muting yet. The other thing is that they both work independently, so you can have one without the other playing. Let's see if that's true. Yep, that is true. And that's really nice because with most of the true wireless earbuds, it only works with the right one on and not the left. So this one you can use it independently. And that's great if you prefer one over the other for phone calls, or if you're on the bed on one side and watching movies on your iPad or something. So that's awesome. And the other thing is that you can summon Siri just by saying, "Hey Siri." And as always, in my detailed review, we're gonna go over the sound, the comfort, and demonstrate the phone call quality so you can see if this is in fact the right earbuds for you. And with all that being said, again, don't forget to subscribe so you can see my next video. And if you have any questions at all, please ask below. And really, thank you guys for joining me in this unboxing. It's really fun to do this. It's a good way for us to experience the products the first time, because I unbox a lot of things here. And really, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye! But in the end, I'm still kind of overwhelmed by the size of the case. I'm actually gonna do a quick test over here to put it in my pockets and see if it fits. Oh man, this is gonna be awkward when I'm like in the train with this in my pants. I think I'm most likely gonna put this in a pocket inside of one of my bags instead to avoid any misunderstandings or awkwardness.